What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So, yeah, something a little different today. Tell you a quick story. So, a couple weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks, can't remember. I went on G Balls live for the first time, just trying to go meet people, get in the community and see who's out there, see if there's people I already know, maybe chat a little bit. Had work the next day. Wasn't even planning to stay in too long. Stayed for about 30 minutes. Uh, didn't even make it to the giveaway. So, anyways, long story short, next day I get up, I got a comment on one of my videos from Staff Sergeant Maximus. Good dude. He let me know that I won the damn thing. So I was like, okay, cool. So I went back and watched the video and saw when I won and everything. Contacted G Ball. He contacted me back. Sure enough, I won. So he sent it out to me. G Ball, you're a gangster. I appreciate it. I don't normally get lucky like this. I don't win anything. And I know a lot of people have been trying to win these giveaways. And I apologize if I pissed you off. I didn't mean to. That's not my intention here. So I figured I'd make a quick video about it at least and give G Ball a gigantic shout out and and Staff Sergeant for going ahead and letting me know I won the damn thing. So yeah, I already cut it open. The thing was bursting at the seams. Can't remember exactly what was in there. Uh, I know there's supposed to be a veteran's coin. There's a couple knives, one being a Kubi, really nice Kubi. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to show you guys what I got and see it for myself for the first time. All right, let's open it up. I already saw this lanyard. I can't remember. He said who made the lanyard. I can't remember. Forgive me for that. Leave me a comment if you're the maker. Can't remember who exactly it was though. I don't want to shout out to the wrong person, but yeah, let me know and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. But pretty cool lanyard. Probably put that on something. All right, that's cool. And already saw we got some stickers. There's two knives in here. One was a mystery. Not sure where it's gonna be. He said it'd be kind of funky, whatever, something cool. But let's see what we got for stickers here. Got that Action for Exploration. That's pretty cool. I think what is that? Pirate koala looking thing. All right. DSKFS. Rebel Rouser. A couple G Ball stickers. I'm gonna start a sticker board and put it on the wall. So if I ever do lives, we'll go ahead and have that behind me. I don't know. I'm not that deep into planning yet. This is all new to me. So another G Ball, and then we got a Barbie EDC girl. Shout out to Barbie. Look at your sticker there. It's on my channel. Cool beans. Yeah, I think she's subscribed to my channel, so hopefully she sees that. Let's get into these two knives real quick. Let's see what we got. And that's the Kubi right there. Let's get this out of the way. He put them in concept cases, so that's pretty cool. I like their case is pretty nice. And this thing is going to be, oh man, way better in person when I saw it on his video. That titanium is so cool. You look at that, you got the blue anodized pivots right there. Man, that is cool. Anyways, take a look around. Let's open this damn thing up. Oh, nice. I'm a big fan of Kubi. Let's see if I got a rag. Do I got a rag around here? I think you put one in the bag, but I'm not going to open that up. Anyway, we'll wipe it down later. Not important. But yeah, look at that guy. I don't even know forgot the name of the damn thing. I looked it up after I won, but even the screws are blue anodized, real pretty. He said he's had it for a while. He's kept it in pretty good shape though. Just needs a little cleaning. But yeah, look at that. Just like all Kubis, man, this thing's built beautifully. No kind of movement. I'm not doing a review. I'm just happy to have it in my hands, man. This is cool. Oh man, so happy. All right, what else is in here? What is the other knife? Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry, missed a thing. Got a Fairmonster patch. That's cool. I can put that on something. I got something I can put that on. That's pretty cool. Nice little Fairmonster patch. And what do we got here? What's the other one? He said it's I forget how he explained it. He said whoever wins will like it, but it's probably something off the wall. Oh geez, look at this thing. All right. Get the Kubi out of the way so we look at this. Look at this thing. This is ridiculous. Chains, a lot of chains and stuff. All right. That's pretty neat. Got the clip on the wrong side. That's what I say it is, the wrong side, but that's cool, man. I like that. Heavy as hell. I'm sure it's all steel. And oh, look at that. Assisted blade. Look at this thing. That's nuts. That's freaking neat. But G-Ball, you're funny, man. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I won the thing. So yeah, again, sorry if I piss you guys off my first time on there winning a thing, but tell you what, this is what I'm going to do. So if I get to enough subscribers, we'll call it 500-ish. If I get to that point on my channel where I got 500 subscribers, I'm going to do my first giveaway. And G-Ball, thank you for this knife. I do appreciate it. But I'm going to give it away too. We'll say that. So my first giveaway that I do when I hit, I might do lives before that. I haven't thought about it too much yet. I'm just, trying to get the hang of all this. But my first giveaway, if I get to 500 subscribers, I'll give this away. I'll keep it going, pay it forward kind of thing. He hooked me up, and yeah, I'll do the same thing. It's a beautiful knife. Don't want to leave me, but I'm sure he didn't either. But I'll do that. So yeah, if I get to that point, I'll give this to a lucky person, and they could do it. They could do the same thing if they want to, or they can keep it forever. That's what I'm planning. So thank you guys for watching. Again, sorry if me winning this thing pissed anybody off, but that wasn't my intention. I just wanted to meet some new folks like I always try to do. But yeah, thanks for watching. And as always, thank you to the veterans and active duty folks out there. Active duty guys, please be safe out there. I know it's crazy, but just keep your head down. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Thanks.